We've made it to the Algarve.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time. Just
We made it to Lagos. Apparently here in Portugal they say their S's like sh instead of s. So Lagos. I just got my bathing suit. We just had a nice drink on this patio. And we're gonna go down to the beach and in the water hopefully. So that is the plan. I'm planning for the next couple days to just spend the whole time in the water and just relax. It's beautiful. Like look at this. Like actually beautiful. Apparently there's so I don't know where we are right now, but there's this beach and apparently there's a whole bunch of good ones over there from what I saw on Google Maps and from my research. So we might try and like swim around or like go that way. And then this is just a huge beach. But it looks beautiful here. Like it looks kind of like Greece. It reminds me of Greece. The white buildings, the beach, the blue water. Like, look at how clear it is. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, going in the water now. I'm just getting pulled by the boat. Oh yeah. Oh, and there's a crab. It's cold.
Oh, that's it on. Where did it go? There's one up there.
Sand is, or whatever that is. Windy in this little channel.
So I might have came close to having a little spaz if I would have put my hand right on that crab. Could have been like, what the? This one on this side, it's a real danger. So you hit the bottom. I love the sand.
No, the sand in the eyes is the problem. Oh. I honestly didn't even film that much down there because there were so many women not wearing shirts and I didn't want to like film them. But that's always a culture shock thing when you come here and you're like, whoa, there's a lot of people not wearing tops. But that's just, I guess, how it is. At home it would never be like that. At home we have separate beaches for nude beaches, and then public beaches everyone has to wear a bathing suit. So much salt all over. I'm gonna go find my parents at the restaurant. I should put on my shorts though. And then at least I'm wearing a freaking shirt and pants in there. My beach towel works great though. I love it. First time using it.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends.
Oh God, these data plates.
That man is trouble.
No, you don't really have to go down there. God, that wasn't that bad, but just these shoes. Cactus? Big cactus? God, if I saw a snake here, I would not be in a good shape. The water just does look so clear, like right in there.
It is pretty clear. Definitely clearer than ours.
Yeah, for sure. Feels like snake country to me. Is that rattlesnake noise? Oh, right. Nothing that can kill you
This
in
would be a good
Portugal.
thing if you just have over here somewhere and then you walk out and you start to see it.
Oh, yeah. We have made it to the Algarve Lago. I guess, yeah, they probably then don't have snakes. This whole time I've been thinking, oh God, it looks like snakes would love it here. Our tour guide said there's nothing that can kill you in Portugal. Except for, what was it, Dad? Oh, honeybees kill the most people in Portugal. Not honeybees, bees in general.
Es difícil decir que te amo, pero no sé si estoy mezclando una vez más lo que me da.
Here's our room. Got a full-on kitchen, living room, my room, bathroom, Mom and Dad's. We just arrived to our hotel and we are about, well, I'm going to the pool. I'm gonna go down to the pool for about 4 hours, till 8 p.m. and then we're going for dinner.
No sea mi realidad, no sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos.
This place is nuts.
Quiero estar solo, a veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Estamos envueltos en un juego de dos, quiero estar a lo tuyo, pero a veces no. Te cuento son cosas del destino, nos mejoramos con el tiempo.
Good morning. We're going on a boat excursion to the Benagil Caves. I think it's like a 3-hour thing. So I'm so excited. You can only get there by boat or kayak or paddleboard. So it should be really fun and they look beautiful. We're just getting packed up in our hotel now. And then we're gonna drive back to Lisbon and we're flying out early tomorrow morning. But it's been great here. The pool is amazing. Yesterday was relaxing. It was ideal day yesterday. Today is also gonna be ideal. It's very hot though, it's like 29 degrees, so, and it's like 9 in the morning, so it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it's a guarantee.
Not.
Hurry up! Paddle, paddle!
This is it.
Just arrived to the highlight of the cruise. We arrived to Benagil today.